Yes, just decided to do another quick video. So my date's been knocked back for that offshore job. I'm off on a ship. I'm not on an oil rig this time. I'm getting sent on a dive vessel or something like. So different date for going offshore. So a bit more extra time at home. So yes, another nice day. It's a bit more overcast today. So it's still nice and warm. So just a bit more cloud cover, but it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna just gonna cook myself some food, go for a walk down by the river, and yeah, cook myself some food. So yep, I'll do some shots and whatnot and everything else. So, path leading down, just by the bridge. It's the top of the bridge. Curtain bridge there. I don't know. In fact, I've jumped off it a few times, off the top of the bridge, but I always jump from the other side. Water's deep enough, so I know people have jumped off this side, but there's a few more rocks in that water on this side that you could hit like. But the other side's definitely a little bit more safer. There's loads of little fish swimming about there. See if I can make it across here. Hoo-hoo. Yeah, that's where you jump from that side into there. You've got to make sure you get right in between the two rocks there, because the rock coming under the water there, and obviously these rocks here. But yeah, I used to do that when I was younger. Nice view. Right. Right, so I'm going to set this up, the BUSHBOX. It's I've used it quite a few times. I've not had it that long, but I've used it quite a few times now, camping and whatnot. And it's a really good bit of kit for cooking on. Just a bit of wood and sorted, but it's good for camping. It's like big enough to put plenty of wood on to keep it going for a while, and really good to cook on as well. So I'll get this set up now and get some food cooking. I'm not even going to bother trying to use my spark, spark flint strike thing. So, I normally try to, and I probably could, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to use my lighter. That's the BUSHBOX just getting started there, so I'll let that burn down. And once it's burnt down, I'll get some cooking. That's the pot on with the camp food in a pouch, sausage casserole it is. what I didn't eat from the other camp. Decided to cook that up. So yeah, let that cook away. So this is ready now. Have a look what this is like then. Sausage casserole. Okay, so that's the sausage casserole. There you get just like vegetable and sausages. So just see what it's like. It's very hot, like. And see what it tastes like. Tastes pretty good, that. Like sauce is like the vegetable soup you get in a tin. It's quite nice. Sausage is quite nice actually. It's like a smoky flavoured, quite nice. Very nice. The sauce is good. The sauce is actually good. Good, that. Right, so that's me done. So, just let the box cool down and get it folded away. Dead easy. 2 seconds and it folds flat. It's pretty good, like. Sorted. That's me done for this one. So nice walk back along the river and we'll wander about, and that's it for the day. Right, so that's me come up onto the top of the bridge, so I'll give you a quick look from the top of the bridge on either side. Spin the camera around. Okay, so this is the other side of the bridge. Jumped off here a few times.